Look at that little bitty thing compared to these. So let's see, let's flip this over. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Timpano 6.5 inch mid-range speakers. I blew out my back speakers in my Titan, so yeah, we're just gonna check these out. They say they're super loud. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about the speakers, if y'all need to buy them, or if you should or if you shouldn't. So let's get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, let's head on out. It is still super hot. Yeah, there go one of my babies. Still super hot. Oh, we gotta turn that light down a little bit. Alright, so I already removed the screws and everything. I was looking for my my Pro Tools, but I got the wrong one. So I'm gonna just pop it off with a screwdriver. Y'all guys be careful doing this. I'm not gonna make this a long video, so I'm gonna just pop this off real quick. We'll get a sound difference, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, as y'all can see, that speaker is for sure busted. So yeah, we're gonna go and snatch her out of there. We'll rig these up. They already got a little dusty, but we'll put these in there and then we'll look at the sound difference. Stay tuned. Look at that little bitty thing compared to these. So let's see, let's flip this over. They're 250 watts at 4 ohms, 6 to 6.5. I think we can make them work. These are 20 watts, 2 ohm. A little bitty. Look at that magnet difference. So guys, I'm gonna let y'all know if these are gonna even fit. We might run into some issues, so let's check it out. I need to get me another GoPro. Well guys, I made us some more room. So if you can see right there, that's where the glass comes down. So we don't want that speaker hitting the glass. So we might have to come out a little bit. I'm gonna have to look around, see if I can find some spacers or make this spacer fit this speaker. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we had to extend the speaker wire because it was going behind. Well, it was coming out in front, so we're gonna have to go behind. So I'm gonna run this back through here like that and come down. That way you don't have no wire in the way. So it'll be like that, guys. Come back through there like that. Alright, so I found a spacer that might work. I already put it on the speaker, so I'm gonna see if that works, because it did kind of hit the glass a little bit, so we want to make sure that doesn't happen. Alright guys, I'm finished. Driver side and passenger side. Kind of see it in there, but I'm already done. It was too hot to be trying to film all of that, so we're gonna turn on the music, walk all the way down the street, see what we get. Let's go. Alright guys, that's all the way down the street. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next one. We out. Peace.